The rains came. The rains came. We are born to solitude, and now it descends, solitary, listening to us, and we to rain. We stand along the river, myriads, these, each isolated. They are broken, we reeds, all still and stiff. We have a love for this wild rain. It fits us. It represents our freedom to go within. We have been acquainted with the night, walking blackly into rain. Far away are interrupted cries. These we ignore. No one hears us, so we are to them even. Vengeance is mine, says a man to God. Perhaps neither wrong nor right. We have been acquainted with the night. It took us by surprise, the rain. Was not the season for it. We had a love of story, that it should be so blessedly, regardless of our life. In time of silver rain, when spring and life are new, we wonder of our presence here, for all seems ever new, while we have faded to a shadow of what we thought to be. There will come soft rains. It is ordained. Your grace is ever falling, for mercy is an endless stream occupying heaven. It is fastened to the Lord, at Alpha, at Omega, and thus shall never cease. It is the banner over us, threefold. For in eternity we were in your will, then lived upon the earth, and then, well, we cannot say. We do not know any element of what will be. But that you are endless and we are endless, we clearly are attached outside of time and space. Within the falling raindrops are spaces larger than their path of tears, track of sorrows, track of joys. And while the rain is pulled to earth, the space between draws heavenward, thus to say that all the ills that befall us are superseded by the lifting of your resurrection. We cannot here be defeated despite the appearances. The upward life is absent of the threat of death. You allow the rain kiss us with its worldly flavors. Adjacent ever to our side are angels guarding, Spirit leading, Christ interceding. The advocate of earth is rain, is blessing disguised, mercy as the gentle dew. The unconquerable God occupies all space, raindrops your arrows of reminding, laws unto our beneficence. They remind us to obey, while ever soars our spirit upward. The rain sings a lullaby, that we be at peace, gentle as our mother's evening prayer. Our life here often could and dark and dreary be. At every gust the dead leaves fall, our hopes among them. Shall we have no questioning flowers, nor grass the sheep do feed upon? The dove returned empty to the ark, for was no rain, and then again went out, brought a twig of olive. For peace comes after storm, and so our life is upward taken ever, while and after all is purified upon the earth and pacified. Amen.